Hello, thank you for coming back to my channel, Cooking with Queen Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mayonnaise without dairy or eggs. The first one I'm going to show you is we'll have oil and soy milk. So the ingredients are a half a cup of soy milk. Put the soy milk in there. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use lime or lemon juice. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Or if you have another type of mustard you prefer, go ahead and use that. But I usually use Dijon when I'm making my salad dressing. And I'm going to use an Italian season for the flavoring. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of Italian herbs. Now, if you like something that's sweeter, you could use a little maple syrup, or if you like something a little more hot, put some hot sauce in it, and don't put the Italian season, but it depends on the flavor you're trying to get of your mayonnaise. If you like a sweet mayonnaise, then maybe the maple syrup would be better with some paprika powder or something like that. Okay, we got the bases done. You can cut it off. So now I have everything, all the seasonings and the milk and the apple cider. And now I'm going to blend this for a little short, hot second. I'm going to use an immersion blender. And these are great, and if you don't have one, you probably should consider getting one. So I'm just going to do a little, just blend it a little bit. Get the juices mixing. Okay. Okay. Next I'm going to pour in I have a cup of oil. I have avocado oil. You want to choose an oil that's not overpowering. You want some oil that's neutral. So olive oil would not be a good idea. So you can I use avocado oil because it's a good oil. I like avocado oil. Or you can use maybe a sunflower oil or maybe a canola oil. So I'm going to put a cup of oil. And I'm going to let the oil sit there for just a hot second. Sit there for a little second or two. And then I'm going to blend this. And what will happen is this oil will start fluffing up and it will look like mayonnaise. Okay, let's go. Let's take this. So let me see. This is the Sometimes when you spend too much time on it. Now it's thickening up. Are you filming? So you see that it's thick, but I think I might want it to be a little, it tastes good. I think I might want it to be a little thicker. I'm going to try. The trick is not to make a mess out of your kitchen with this blender. Okay. Just scraping this off. So there we have it. Mayonnaise without the egg, but with oil, but no eggs and no dairy. I'm using a plant-based milk, soy milk. Now I have not tried this with other milk, plant-based milk, but I do know soy works. And try to remember to use a neutral oil. And if you don't have the apple cider vinegar, use a white vinegar or a lemon, some type of citric juice. And you know, you can always change the flavor of this mayonnaise depending on what seasons you use. And try to keep the blender inside the pot or you'll have a big mess on your... Now I'm going to put it in a jar and wait at least 30 minutes before you try to eat it. It should harden up a little bit after you know, put it, place it. After you put it in the refrigerator, it'll harden up a little bit. So this makes a good salad dressing or spread on for a sandwich. And it tastes really good on baked potatoes, so you don't have to put butter on your baked potatoes. Just put this sauce, this dressing. And so a good thing about this dressing is that you can change it up by the seasonings you put in it. So, and this can stay in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. But I don't think it'll last that long. Ours only lasts a couple of days. After you bake a few potatoes and put it on your sandwich, you can dip your fries into it. Tastes better than ketchup. Tastes better than regular mayonnaise. It's so versatile. And you'll find that soy is a very versatile bean. So I'll be teaching you, we'll be looking at other ways to use soy. So stay tuned. I have another mayonnaise dressing I want to show you without using eggs or dairy and no oil. Imagine that, no oil. Anyway, see you later. Stay tuned. So I hope you came back to see the other half of this video. Now I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise without the oil, without the eggs, and without dairy. So let's get started. The ingredients I'm going to use for this will be tofu. Now I want you to get the silken tofu, and it comes in a little carton like this. You can get it basically in any supermarket. You can get it in Walmart. You can order it on Amazon. You can get it at Trader Joe's. I've seen it at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. And get the extra firm or firm. So I'm going to use that, just one of those. And then I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar again. Just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of salt. I use sea salt. A half a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. So let's get started. Now, another thing you can use, I'm not going to use it this time because I don't want mine too salty, is a black salt. And if you want to get your mayonnaise to taste more eggy, like it's eggs, you can use the black salt. It has like a sulfur smell to it, so it makes your food taste like it has eggs in it. And you can order this on Amazon. It's also called, it's an Indian salt. So it's black salt, kala namak. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but that's if you want to. I'm not worried about having an egg smell or egg taste, so I'm not going to use it in my mayonnaise. So first I'm going to put the soy. I just broke it up just a little bit into the. I'm going to use a blender this time. Just a regular kitchen blender. Using a NutriBullet blender. I broke mine up just a little bit here. Some garlic in here. So that's 2 cloves of minced garlic. I really like garlic, so I put a little more in mine, but 2 cloves will do. 2 large cloves. Let's see here. And then I'm going to put a half a teaspoon sea salt. Fourth of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. And a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, let's put this in the blender. Tighten that up. I need to go get a. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, it looks. Open this up. Okay, see, mayonnaise. Yeah, it's mayonnaise. Okay, so So I'm going to pour this in the jar also. Also wait, give it some time in the refrigerator also. And with this one, again, you could put, if you like your mayonnaise a little sweet, you can put some, I guess, cane sugar in there, or maple syrup might make it a little loose. Hot sauce, you want to put some heat on it, put some hot sauce or sriracha sauce, that Chinese hot sauce. Do whatever, do what you would like to do with it. That's why I like these recipes. You can experiment and get the flavor you want out of this. But what's good about this? No eggs, no dairy, no oil. So this is a good mayonnaise for if you want it on a sheet. No oil, no egg. Sort of diet, if that's what you need to be. And you can use it just like you would mayonnaise. It makes good salad dressing. And once you put it in the refrigerator, it'll get even harder than this. I'm just putting mine, I put most of my mayonnaise in a mason jar. Put a date on it so you know how long you had it. But I don't think you'll keep it long. I think it's not good at all. Okay, we're about finished. Sort of messy like soybean, like sort of messy like mayonnaise too. So, that in your refrigerator, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and it's gonna get even harder than that. It looks great right now, though. Yeah. So, thank you for patiently watching me do these two mayonnaise dish, but it shows you how versatile the soybean is, and I'm going to show you other recipes that you can use soy for. And this is one of my favorites because I eat a lot of salads, and it's great on your salad without having to put oil, or you can use the oily one I showed you. And you still don't have the eggs or the dairy in it. So thank you for sticking around and watching me do some more plant-based cooking. I'll see you next week. And if you like this video, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And also, my instructions on my recipes are in the drop-down menu. Thank you, and you have a good day.